In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore Steam games. Whether you're moving to a new PC, freeing up space, or just want peace of mind, backing up your games the right way can save a lot of time later. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. From the main screen, click Library to view your games. This shows everything you own, and you can filter or sort to quickly find the title you want to protect. When you've picked a game, press the right mouse button on it to open the context menu. This is where Steam keeps a lot of useful options for each title. From that menu, click Properties. A new window will appear with several sections that control how the game is installed and updated. Choose the Installed Files section. This is the hub for anything related to the files on your drive, including verification and, importantly, backups. Click Backup Game Files. Steam will launch its backup tool and prepare what it needs. This process packages the game's local files so you can store them safely somewhere else. Keep in mind, this is mainly the game's installation data. Many games sync saves with Steam Cloud automatically, but some store saves in your Documents folder or app data. If a particular save is critical, take a moment to confirm where that game keeps its saves, so you know they're protected too. When the backup tool asks where to put the backup, click Browse and select your preferred location. An external drive, a large secondary disk, or a dedicated backups folder all work well. Make sure you have enough free space for the game you're backing up, and give the folder a clear name so you can recognize it later. Once you confirm the location, Steam will start building the backup. This can take a while for larger games, so let it run without closing Steam or putting your computer to sleep. When you're ready to bring a game back, click the Steam name at the top left of the app to open the main menu. From there, click Restore Game Backup. This opens the Restore wizard, which will guide you through putting the files back where they belong. Then select the backup file or folder you created earlier. Steam will read it, prompt you for the install location if needed, and handle the rest. After the restore completes, your game will appear in the library ready to launch. If anything seems off after restoring, you can always use the Verify Integrity option in installed files to double check the data, and that's it. With these steps, you can confidently back up your Steam games and restore them whenever you need.